Are you being sassy? Perfect example. Oh, female dogs. You're still crying. What's the matter? You don't know, do you? You have no idea. You don't know what you want. Rusty, watch out. Why are you being so bossy? You cannot even try. Yeah, will look like you can jump that. That is a 6-foot fence. You are fine. You got Rusty Bear. You got all your toys. Stebel, you're okay. Are you ready for nap time? Is that the problem? Rusty, you better watch yourself. She's in a mood. Well, in that kind of mood too. Can you just be nice? Stebel? She gonna get you. Well, today turned out to be a really nice day. Glad we finally have sun and not rain.